Hello, everyone. My name is Brother Gary Wagner. I'm the Executive Director of the Capuchin Soup Kitchen here in Detroit. And I'm very excited to be here to thank Total Healthcare Foundations in partnership with Priority Health for the very generous grant that we have received, almost $209,000. And we are going to use every one of those dollars to help people here in Detroit. About $140,000 worth of this money is going to go to provide food. On this Mother's Day weekend, I can't help but think that we will be helping many mothers and those who support and assist mothers to care for their families with this money. And so I am extremely grateful. We will use the grant for other projects of the Soup Kitchen, which you'll hear about shortly. Here at the Capuchin Soup Kitchen, we say that we are about feeding bodies and nourishing spirits, and both matter. The very direct service of providing food for hungry families, and we all know that right now at the grocery store, prices are going up. And so more than ever, to help with food is going to matter. But we also try in our way to help people both with other services here at the Soup Kitchen, but also because we are faith-based, to provide people with that hope and love that comes from our commitment. And so I again want to thank Total Healthcare Foundation in partnership with Priority Health for their willingness to give us this substantial grant. And on a short note, I have to say Brother Fred Cabras, who did much of the work on our side to apply for this grant, is a very creative part of our team here at the Capuchin Soup Kitchen. He has lots of ideas, so many that I usually answer the phone from him by saying, how much is this going to cost? One time when I answered the phone and he responded, this time I'm going to tell you about the money we're going to get. And that was a great telephone call. And so I am grateful. And now I would like to introduce Matt Dagler from Detroit at Works, who's going to talk a little bit more about how this is going to be used. Matt?
Sure. What a beautiful day. Hi, my name is Matthew Dagler. I'm the director for the Detroit at Work Center in Collingwood. A little bit about what we do is really a simple version of what we do is we get people back to work. We do this with a series of different grants, and we work with the public at large. And for the last few months, we've been really close partners with Capuchin Soup Kitchen. It's been really, really great to see the great work they do, so we're a proud partner of theirs. In the last few months, we've placed, I think, around at least 20 folks that have come into their soup kitchen and needed services, place them into employment. And that's what we do and what we take pride in our abilities to do so. So really, we're just happy to be a partner. We're happy to support the great work that they do. And we think that this will go on in the future and be great going on forward. Next is Shannon, is that right? Shannon, come on in.
Good morning. What a beautiful day we have today. What a beautiful occasion that we're celebrating. It is such an honor for Priority Health to be able to support this great organization in this fashion. We know that making sure that the basic needs of our community are met, making sure that the basic needs of our community being met is a top priority, not only for us, but for this great organization as well. And we're just honored to come in and to provide the service, the dollars needed to provide the services to get this work done. And I really could not come up with a better organization to do this for. The commitment that you all have made to the community is absolutely outstanding. We are just honored to be able to support you in this capacity. Priority Health, through the Total Healthcare Foundation looks for organizations that are doing the good work on the ground. We are looking for organizations to support that are really investing in those basic community needs. So when we think about things like food, shelter, you know, really addressing those social determinants of health, those things that we know are vital to ensuring that each and every person in our community has access to high quality health care. Healthcare does not start within the four walls of the organization or the hospital or the health system. It's really about getting out into community and making sure that you have food that's going to be healthy, making sure that you have housing that will allow you to stay healthy. And so on behalf of the Total Healthcare Foundation and Priority Health, it is just such an honor to support your organization in this way, and we're really thankful that we have the opportunity to do that.